Hey everyone, first off, thanks for 100 subscribers. Hit that a few days ago. I kind of can't believe that there's anyone besides Leela here that even wants to watch my videos. So, I upgraded my helmet. I bought this guy. I'm kidding. This is obviously my old original helmet. I bought this one October 2019 when I bought my first bike. I think this is still just like the most timeless classic helmet design. It's a Bell. I looked up on Amazon when I bought it. It was only $110. Obviously I usually run a brown jacket, so I got this two-tone brown to kind of go with it, and then these are just some motorcycle goggles. But you know, if it's cold out, I always kind of run a mask like that or whatever. I'm still gonna keep this helmet. I still have my old bike. This is a 1983 Honda Trail 110. I still got it. It really only gets used in the summertime around here, just kind of beat bopping around. And I think I'd look ridiculous if I wore this on that bike. So this is my new helmet. It's also a Bell. I find I really like Bell helmets. They're very just streamlined, mid-price. I don't really need anything crazier. This was $230 on Amazon. I didn't go try a bunch on. I just found one I liked. And what's weird is this is a size medium, and I had bought a size medium of this. Damn near could not get it on my head. It was so damn tight. So I returned it and got this large. So you might face that if you're switching styles like this. But and I can't believe it only came with a clear visor, so I had to get this black visor. So the helmet was $230, the visor was $40, so about $270 for the setup, and then $15 GoPro mount here. I'll link all this in the description below with Amazon links. This one has clips so I bought like 3 to compare them all. This was the only one that had clips versus like those pull tight strap things. It has this extra thing to come out because the GoPro 360 Max is, it's basically like that tall. It's way bigger, and it has, the lens on the back. So I needed a little space right there. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep this on just because I got it mounted up the way I like it. But so far, I love the helmet. Super comfortable. I can't believe I can't think of the word, but you lose so much sight out of the side of your peripherals with the goggles versus these. You could see so much more. So that's super cool. I was not expecting this thing to be such a frickin' sail in the wind, so that's kind of something to get used to as well. Now when I put that helmet on, it feels so light, and I feel like my head is so small. But yeah, we doing more rides, longer rides. It's just gonna be more comfortable. Don't have to have masks and stuff on my face, and just more comfortable. Unfortunately, the only bad thing about this whole thing is, well, let's back up. The main reason I wanted a full face helmet like this, a dual sport helmet, and is because I really wanted that GoPro angle. I think that's the ultimate GoPro angle. I've been rocking the chest mount GoPro, or the chest mount for the GoPro, and you just miss so much. You don't get the full side to side, when you're turning your head looking that way. And this way I can talk to the camera, which leads to the not so good thing. In my research, I cannot figure out a mic hookup for this GoPro. I don't think it's a thing for the 360 GoPro. Let me know down below. I'm sure someone will have some answers, but I don't think I can hook up a mic. But in a video that's coming on Sunday, this Sunday, it's from last weekend. I went solo riding for the first time with this helmet and mic setup, and I'm talking to the camera the whole time, just kind of commentating the whole thing. And I think it's a pretty entertaining video. It's better than if it were just music, I think. So you'll kind of get a sense, but it picked up my voice fairly well. Obviously the louder I talked, the better it picked it up, and even having the visor open, it picked up my voice better. So we'll see where it kind of evolves, what it evolves into. But for now, it'll work fine. But let me know. Again, that video comes out Sunday. It's about a 30-minute video, but it's damn entertaining. I think I edited as best I can, and I'm getting a lot quicker at editing, you guys. So I'm starting to enjoy it. I'm starting to enjoy editing. It was kind of a drag in the beginning, but I'm starting to enjoy it. But yeah, it's like a 30-minute video, but it was like a 4-hour ride, and I tried to keep it pretty action-packed. But anyway, that's the helmet. I'll give it like an 8 overall. I was really contemplating going white. You guys told me white or black, but I was really contemplating going white. But I went black because, I mean, I don't want to sound like a nerd, but I mean, white is obviously the safest possible color, right? It's most noticeable. Way more noticeable than matte black, but if it's cold out, you know, if it's really, how do I say this? A lot of times I wear my brown jacket, like I was saying, but like when it's cold and I'm commuting, that's it. When I'm commuting, especially in the wintertime, I'm rocking my high-vis jacket. So there's no point really in having a high-vis jacket and a white helmet. So I don't know, I felt like I was okay getting the black helmet. I don't know. We'll see. And it looks slicker, I think. I think in white, you get way more, all your damage shows up. Or it's more visible, right? I don't know. But yeah, the other thing that's hard to get used to is when, you know, you get your head straight and you're driving the bike, or, you know, you're driving, this lower portion blocks out your whole handlebars, all your gauges and everything, and then you gotta like tilt your whole head down just to look at the speed or something. So that's kind of hard to get used to versus just peering down with your eyes. Anyway, you'll see this helmet from now on, and that GoPro angle from now on. If you see this helmet in future videos, it's just old footage. And I mean, I got a lot of old footage that I don't really know what to do with. You know, they're from like quick rides where we got good content, but it's not necessarily like it doesn't really go in its own, ready for its own video yet. I don't know. I'm trying to make each video like its own story or something. I'm not trying to make like compilation after compilation. I don't know. I'm trying to make each video like its own weekend or own theme or something, you know. So I don't know. But like I said, thank you guys so much. It's been really fun. The YouTube so far. Just you know, I started this channel in the depths of winter. Now it's coming into we're mid-May, and I fired up my boat for the first time last weekend. So boat content starting on Memorial Day weekend, filming it at least. So Big Block Jet Boat hasn't hit the channel yet, but that's the reason behind the Maxim Marlin name. So all that is to come. But thanks again. I'll see you in the next.